So yeah, then she said, "Do you listen to me?" And I said, "That's a funny way to start a conversation." And then she said,
Incoming!
"Who the hell's this?"
G'day, how you going?
Oi,
Phil,
is this one of your mates?
eh?
No, I don't know. Never seen him before.
Is this a private party or can anyone join in? What about them galahs, eh?
What the hell's he on about? I don't know.
Is the water good?
Do you reckon one of us should go, take care of him?
Any chance so I could, have a splash? Just a little one?
Oh, Christ, here comes another one.
Oh, g'day, mate. Trevor, what the hell are you doing? What do you mean? You shouldn't be hanging around here with them rainbow pricks. Why not? It's a free country. Listen, mate, just find another bird bath, okay? You're asking for trouble.
We got as much right to be here as they have.
Nah, bugger it. I'm not afraid of them. Whee! Alright, see you later. Yeah, I apologise for my friend. He, okay, I'll, Trevor! So long, gay boys!